Chinese medicine is a profound holistic system that focuses on balancing energy, known as qi, and maintaining harmony within the body, mind, and spirit. This intricate system dates back to ancient China, deeply rooted in the philosophies of Taoism, where the interconnectedness of all aspects of the body is emphasized. One of the most significant historical texts that laid the foundation of Chinese medicine is the Yellow Emperor's Classic of Internal Medicine, or Huangdi Neijing. This ancient document serves as a cornerstone in understanding the guiding principles that define the practices of Chinese medicine to this day. The fundamental principles of Chinese medicine can be divided into several key components, namely Yin-Yang theory, the five elements, and the meridian system. Yin and Yang represent dual forces that complement and balance each other, crucial in maintaining optimal health. The five elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, serve as a framework for understanding how different processes and phenomena are interconnected. The meridian system represents the paths through which qi flows in the body, essential for diagnosing and treating ailments. Techniques such as pulse diagnosis, tongue diagnosis, and holistic observation enable practitioners to devise personalized treatment plans. This individualized approach considers the unique constitution and specific symptoms of each patient, ensuring that treatments are tailored to their precise needs. As Chinese medicine evolved, it incorporated a diverse range of practices. Acupuncture, moxibustion, cupping, tuina, massage, and herbal medicine each offer distinct techniques and therapeutic uses. Acupuncture involves the insertion of thin needles at specific points to balance energy flow, while moxibustion uses heat to stimulate circulation. Cupping uses suction to relieve muscle tension, and tuina utilizes massage techniques for therapeutic benefits. Herbal medicine employs natural botanicals to address various health conditions. These ancient practices have continuously developed over time, as evidenced by historical artifacts and recorded medical advancements. Chinese medicine's relevance extends far beyond its traditional roots, finding its place within modern healthcare systems around the world. In recent years, there has been increasing acceptance and integration of Chinese medicine, particularly in the West. Ongoing scientific research and studies continue to validate the efficacy of traditional Chinese medicine in addressing issues like pain management, mental health improvements, and chronic illnesses, highlighting its potential benefits and applications. Looking to the future, Chinese medicine holds substantial promise for further integration and innovation within contemporary healthcare. As medical professionals seek holistic and integrative approaches to care, Chinese medicine's ancient wisdom coupled with modern scientific insights offers a unique blend of tradition and evolution. Its enduring relevance is a testament to its foundational principles and adaptive practices. For those keen to explore alternative healthcare options, traditional Chinese medicine presents a rich landscape for discovery, learning, and healing.